They made this already more than 2,000 years ago. It's called Colonche. I penetrated it beforehand with mezcal. I'm in a huge favor of using local produce, local ingredients. Less than 1% of the mezcal production is made from maguey salmiana. It's alive and it tastes good. Always know your ingredients. Lieve, Allemaal, Queridos, Toditos. Here we have a beautiful concoction. This is a fermented drink. Oh, it's even alive. They made this already more than 2,000 years ago. It's called Colonche. More than 2,000 years ago, they used these tunas cardonas, to make a beautiful drink. It's called Colonche. Colonche is not very known anymore. As a matter of fact, it is in danger of getting extinct. Many of you know. If I say pulque, you know what it is, a fermented drink. If I say tepache, you know what it is, a fermented drink. If I say colonche, you're like, what the? What is it? Colonche is a fermented drink of the tuna cardona, the tuna roja, the tuna morada. I don't care what tuna you use. You can even use dragon fruit, pitaya or pitaya. Pitaya and pitaya are not the same, but that's a whole different story. You let them ferment, so you get this olla de barro, or this stone pot, you call it like that. I penetrated it beforehand with mezcal. You can also use aguardiente, you can use anything, but I like to use mezcal because colonche is like the Potosina drink. It stems originally most probably from San Luis Potosí and all this area, and there they grow the agave salmiana, or agave or maguey verde. Maguey salmiana, maguey verde. Salmiana, you might know, it's used to make pulque. It's almost impossible to find this mezcal verde. I mean, less than 1% of the mezcal production is made from maguey salmiana. It's used for the pulque, not for the mezcal. So let's say that you have a copper pot. Let's pretend this to be a copper pot. You penetrated it with the alcohol, with mezcal, with aguardiente, with rum, I don't care. Then you get it out. I did create a smoke, a humo, with chile, with cinnamon, with alcohol. And then we wash it and rinse it again with the mezcal, and then we get the juice of this tuna cardona. However, as a matter of fact, I didn't use tuna cardona. I'm a huge fan, I'm in a huge favor of using local produce, local ingredients. What can I get if I get out of my house? Less than 5 minutes walk, I can literally get this lovely tuna here. And this is known as Tunos Indios here on the Canary Islands. Tunos Indios, or Latin name Opuntia dileni. It's alive. It's alive and it tastes good. Always know your ingredients. It's quite thick. You can let your colonche ferment for 2 or 3 days. That's up to you. This one has been fermented, I think, around 84 hours. Slightly over 3 days, like 3.5 days. We're gonna add 1 ounce. So I thought I'm gonna make 2 versions of this. Now here on the Canary Islands, I'm gonna make a version of this drink, of the Dileni, with the local Tuno Indio. And then soon when I'm in Mexico, I will show you how to make a beautiful colonche from scratch. And then we are going to make this very same drink with tuna cardona tradicional. Or I just bring you with me to San Luis Potosí and we're gonna make it there and drink it there, because drinks always taste best, and food as well, in its natural environment. That's why pastis is always tasting so good when you are in Marseille. It's from Marseille, no? It tastes much better over there than it tastes anywhere else.